Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you check out the ratings of a particular service on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this search button down below, then select a type of service and click on the relevant one that you are interested in particular, and then you should scroll down to the bottom where you can find this recommended reviews section. Here you can see the overall rating and the number of reviews. Here you can search among these reviews, you can sort them and apply filters. Here you can see the reviews, you can check out the attached pictures, and you can mark them as helpful, thanks, love this, or oh no. So tap on the read more button to check out the whole review. If you tap on the more button, you can share it, compliment, or report. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.